Hi guys, it's Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we're going to be talking about the Predator Pro, the Doberman Pro, and Viking Pro flashlights by Armytek. Make sure to check out our other videos to see more of our awesome products. And me, of course. You might be thinking, what distinguishes Armytek from other companies? Well, we're definitely going to be getting into that, but first, let me tell you a little something about each of these flashlights that we have sitting here in front of me. Our first flashlight is the Predator Pro. The newest Cree XHP35 high-intensity LED and a specially designed smooth reflector give extremely distinct hotspot and minimal spill for direct aim illumination. It can reach up to 450 meters and has a brightness of up to 1700 LED lumens. It even has a standard 1-inch body diameter, which matches up with most weapon mounts. Our second flashlight is the Doberman Pro. It puts out up to 1700 LED lumens and has a focused narrow light at the distance of up to 390 meters for precise aiming. It can run for 1 hour at maximal mode and up to 200 hours at minimal mode. The Doberman has perfectly selected brightness modes and easy operation for comfortable use. Last but not least, we have the Viking Pro. This flashlight's newest Cree XHP50 LED and a specially designed reflector give powerful wide light for efficient hunting with shotguns. It has an LED light output of up to 2300 lumens and its beam's distance is up to 370 meters. All three of these flashlights have active real-time temperature control without timers, which means that they will dim when they begin to overheat, but once they cool down, the brightness increases again. They also have constant brightness, even in -25-degree frost and with almost discharged batteries. They have advanced mode control with hunting and tactical settings, and they all come with removable lanyards, pocket clips, and nylon holsters like this one here. With their reliable bodies and guaranteed durability, these flashlights stand up to the recoil of any gun gauge and can fall from 30 meters height. They are also all waterproof with double O-ring protection and can work for more than 5 hours at 50 meters depth. Now I'm going to show you how these babies work. To turn on constant light, make sure that the head of the flashlight is screwed on tightly and then give it one full click. To cipher through different intensities, undo the head of the flashlight 1/8 of a circle, and clicking through them will cipher through the brightness intensities. For momentary light, any of the modes can be switched by half pressing the on button. It is suitable for giving signals by short button pressings, and then you can full click the button to switch the light on permanently. The momentary on mode will stay active until the button is released. You'll find the strobe mode by unscrewing the head 1/8 of a circle and ciphering through. You can also use the lockout function by unscrewing the tail cap 1/4 of the way to stop it from accidentally switching on. These flashlights can be used by anyone and everyone. They're compact and lightweight, so you can bring them with you pretty much anywhere you could think of. Use them for reading and writing, camping, hiking, diving, even spelunking. So, to answer your question from the beginning of the video, Armytek is a Canadian manufacturer that was designed especially for your needs. They have a team of scientists and engineers engaged in the military and space industry, and use the best tried and true components by the USA and Japan. They pay particular attention to durability and technologies, not only to the external design, and their mission is to provide people with the most reliable and technically advanced light in the world. We carry many other Armytek products on our website, so don't hesitate to visit us at lockharttactical.com. Also, if you have an idea for a video that you want to see done by me, don't hesitate to send it to me in a private message or just comment it. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical. Over and out.